Morse four-wheel drum trucks provide an ergonomic way to handle your steel, plastic, and fiber drums. Even move a 30-gallon drum or an 85-gallon salvage drum. Stainless steel model 160 SS is ideal for food and pharmaceutical applications, and model 160 WP for use on rough terrain has inflated tires mounted outside the frame. Engage the chime hook on the upper rim to help pull the drum back onto the specially designed forged toes. The extra handle length provides leverage to handle up to a 1,000-pound drum. Easily turn your Morse drum truck and extend the support prop to stabilize the load while you dispense into a 5-gallon pail. When pouring is complete, re-engage the chime hook and you are ready to move the drum again. You can even move drums onto and off pallets. Your Morse drum truck stands by itself on all four wheels. And when it's time to store your truck, extend the support prop and it will stand upright within a 20 by 20 inch footprint.